If you're frustrated with uneven burns and subpar tools in your wood burning projects, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Weller 15-piece wood burning kit. The Weller Genuine 15-piece 25W/120V wood burning kit is a fantastic entry-level option priced at just $21.24. What immediately caught my attention was its impressive versatility. This kit is great for both beginners and seasoned crafters. If you want convenience and safety in your wood burning, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Stay Cool handle ensures you won't get burned while working on intricate designs, which means more comfort during those long sessions. Plus, the heat deflector keeps your hands safe from heat, allowing you to maintain control as you work. With a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Celsius, it can tackle various materials, whether you're doing wood burning or leather embossing. This kit has already sold over 800 units just this month, so clearly it's popular among DIY enthusiasts. Now, some people complained about the limited wattage, saying it might not be powerful enough for heavy-duty projects. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting or doing lighter projects, this wattage is actually perfect. It provides enough heat without overwhelming you. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to dabble in wood burning or want a reliable tool for simple crafts. Skip this one if you're aiming for professional grade work right out of the gate. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the Weller kit's wattage concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach with higher temperature settings. Product number 2, Craft Culture Wood Burning Tool Pen, priced at $21.99. This caught my eye because it's designed for both adults and teens, making it a perfect family-friendly option. If you want a tool that gives you professional quality results, this is worth a serious look. What's awesome about this tool is its 9 interchangeable tips, which allow you to switch between techniques like engraving and calligraphy easily. The adjustable temperature control means you can set the heat just right for the material you're working on, whether it's wood, leather, or even fabric. The built-in heat shield protects your hands from burns, which is crucial when you're trying to focus on those tiny details. With a weight of just 10.2 ounces, it's comfortable to hold for extended periods, which is great for those detailed projects. Given that this product has already sold over 700 units this month, you can see it's gaining traction. Now, some users have pointed out that the heat can take a little while to adjust. Here's the thing though. Once you get the hang of it, that precision control becomes a game changer for your projects. This is perfect for you if you're serious about crafting and want a reliable tool that can handle a variety of materials. Skip this one if you're looking for a tool designed solely for heavy-duty professional work. At this price point, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are looking for a more comprehensive kit. Product number 3, Fire-Led Wood Burning Toolkit. The Fire-Led Wood Burning Toolkit is next on the list at $39.99, and this one has some serious features. I was really impressed by its digital thermometer and the range of 30 tips included, making it a great tool for both novices and experts alike. If you want maximum control over your projects, this is worth a serious look. This kit allows you to adjust temperatures from 250 to 750 degrees Celsius, which gives you incredible flexibility depending on the material you're working with. The digital display means you can check the temperature accurately at a glance, ensuring you're always at the right setting for your art. Plus, with 2 pyrography pens and a host of tips, you can easily switch between fine lines and shading effortlessly. Over 700 units sold this month shows that a lot of people are finding this tool essential for their projects. Now, some complaints center around the complexity of switching tips and adjusting temperatures. Here's the thing though, once you get used to the system, the creative possibilities are nearly endless. It opens up so many avenues for your artistic expression. This is perfect for you if you're looking to advance your skills in wood burning or want versatility in your tools. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward, no-fuss tool for quick projects. Considering the features, this kit offers great value. Now, if the complexity of the Fire-Led bothered you,
The next one on my list simplifies things while still delivering quality results.
Product number 4, the ACR SIKR Adjustable Temperature Wood Burning Kit. The ACR SIKR Adjustable Temperature Wood Burning Kit priced at just $13.99. This caught my attention because it offers a lot of features at a very budget-friendly price. If you want something affordable that still gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. This tool has an adjustable temperature setting with a maximum of 450 degrees Celsius, which is perfect for smaller projects. It's lightweight and ergonomically designed, allowing you to work at various angles without tiring out your hand. The kit comes with multiple tips, so you can engage in wood burning, soldering, and even leather cutting, making it a multifunctional tool. With over 500 units purchased this month, it's clear that many are benefiting from its affordability and performance. Now, some users mention that it doesn't heat up as quickly as they'd like. Here's the thing though, for beginners, this slower heat up can actually help you learn control and technique without rushing into things. This is perfect for you if you're new to wood burning and want a tool that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something high-powered for larger projects. For the price, it's a great entry point into wood burning. Now, if you're looking for even more options, the next kit really expands your horizons. Product number 5, IVSUN 116 Pieces Wood Burning Kit, which is available for $29.99. This comprehensive kit stood out to me because it includes an astonishing array of tools. If you want the ultimate all-in-one kit for your wood burning adventures, this is worth a serious look. This kit features adjustable temperatures from 220 to 480 degrees Celsius, providing just the right heat for any project. It comes with 116 pieces, including a variety of tips, tools for cutting stencils, and even colorful pencils for your designs. The fact that it heats up in just 15 seconds is a real time saver for those quick sessions. With 400 plus units sold recently, it's clear that people love the variety and efficiency of this kit. Now, some might find the sheer number of pieces overwhelming. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to familiarize yourself with the tools, you'll unlock a whole new level of creativity. This is perfect for you if you're serious about exploring wood burning and want every tool at your disposal. Skip this one if you just need a simple tool for occasional projects. Given the amount of tools and versatility, it's an excellent value for money. So, to recap, we've covered the Weller kit for beginners, the Craft Culture pen for precise work, the Fire Lud tool for advanced users, the budget-friendly ACR SIKR kit, and the extensive IVSUN kit for all-in-one convenience. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Fire Lud wood burning toolkit because of its digital display and versatility, helping you tackle a variety of projects with ease. As for the one to avoid, I'd steer clear of the ACR SIKR kit if you want something powerful right off the bat.